Oh, you guys lost. That was only round 4.
Fuck you, and 2 niggas that look like you. What? Trick.
Come on, I made it to round 12 by myself.
You're experiencing this shit, I'm not. How many controls do you have to wait?
2.
That's what you get. Fuck you, I'm not playing, man.
It's racing.
You don't get to do it? Like,
You can, but it's mostly racing.
let's go, me. Me, good skinny bitch. What?
1-on-1?
About to do some one-on-one.
Yeah. Yeah.
This game, fucking speed. So we're not on team.
No. He didn't join. Okay, now he joined. Game mode. Go to game mode. Free for all.
I should wait.
Free for all.
Free for all.
Free for all.
Free for all.
Gosh. Free for all. Okay. Time limit, unlimited. Whatever. You guys.
I'll make our house. No.
That's bullshit.
But our house regeneration is slow.
None at all. Whatever. Kill cam disabled.
I go out and tell.
Whatever.
I want to see.
Yeah.
I want to show him how.
You want to see how you died?
I want to see how he died.
Wait.
From the scene.
You didn't put radar. That's bullshit. You guys gonna be walking around the whole damn map and not even know where you guys are at. You probably walk by him, you would still think like, oh, whatever. I wish I had a third control. Oh, I got more upstairs. No, it's not.
What's in my top? What I do? Just your guns and weapons.
You guys. What? There's no radar. I told you there was no radar. No, there isn't. There's no radar. How you gonna tell me there's radar? Why are you so sure he was dead?
Sorry.
You're wasting ammo, you know that, right? He's gonna kill you. He's near you, too. You should have put on radar.
That's what I'm doing, put on radar.
Okay, that's bullshit. I think that's a bitch move if you don't put radar. I really do think that is. You
I
do?
know you had radar.
No. I'm saying like on 1-on-1. That really is a bitch move. No radar. You could be camping in somewhere like. That's
Oh, wow.
a bitch move.
You got cheats to every game we have in here.
No.
So this is like a game.